What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Nieceylocs. I'm their handsome son, you know me, handsome.
So hello people and welcome back to my channel, and as you guys can see from the thumbnail, you know what it's gonna be. We got a nice snacks. We're gonna show you guys what we got in there and all of that, so that we get the snacks and show you. It's our first time getting this. Is variety fun. So you guys can see it. We're gonna open it to see what's in there, but before, let's tell you guys the price of the snacks.
$29.
It's $24.99, and I use a discount code. So if you guys want to know the discount code, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Right, Jamar? Yeah. Yes. And I got it for $17.54 in the discount code. It's like a subscription package, which is $24 every month, and you get the snacks every month. And this is a great gift for grandparents to use. Our uncle or auntie can use to give their little niece and nephew snacks, where they don't have to be bothered to pick up a specific snack at the store. They could like send them a variety box and it have all the snacks in there.
But first, wipe it down, because you know the coronavirus.
Yeah, we did all of that. You know. Jamar is teaching me a lot about the coronavirus. So they tightly seal this thing. So let's open it. You ready?
Yeah, that took you forever.
Are you guys ready to look in there?
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll. Okay, are you ready? I'm ready. Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
Jamar is happy. It's so many snacks. We're gonna check how much snacks is in there. We got Cheetos.
We got a maze. Look at the maze. We got a maze. We got a maze, you know.
All right,
look at the maze. Easy maze.
We got Cheeto Puff. If I'm saying it right. Cheeto Crunch.
We got Skittles.
Skittles, Jamar's favorite. We got Ruffles. No, put them here. We got Doritos.
We got this. We never tasted this before. We tasted
this. This is the popcorner.
I thought that was
white cheddar. We got the kettle brown potato. We got, I never see this one.
They look like for breakfast.
Abby cookies. Oh, we got some Ecoa, if I'm saying it right. Some coconut bar. We got two of those. And we got some Chex Mix. So this box is really good to let you know which snacks you really want to spend money. Because you don't want to buy too much of the same snacks and then you don't like it. See that?
Ooh, my favorite.
Ooh, and we got toast cheese.
Oh, yes, the same thing again.
We got these ones.
Oh, I never tasted this before.
No, we tasted this. We got Nature Valley.
Why did they give us candy?
Because it's a fun box. We got this. What's that? Swedish fish. We got some Scooby-Doo snacks. Sour Patch.
Two.
So you guys, if you're not following Jamar's YouTube channel, you should go over and check out his YouTube channel at Jamar World. He got fun videos.
Yeah.
I don't know what's this. Some crackers, animal cracker. I tried this one. Noradzoom.
Can't even say it.
I can't even say it. We got some Oreos.
We got some of these. I can remember these, but I ate them.
Roll up fruit.
Two.
Bunch of thing in that. What's that? Cheese it. We got 2 mini pretzels. We got some Ritz bits thing. I never see the small one before. Oh, I think we got 2 of everything to how I see it. So it's 2 of every snacks. Not bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat this first. I'm eating
Not
this.
bad. I think it worked.
Guys, I'm gonna eat this first. You know
So
it.
it's what? You said 25. It's $25 for all these snacks.
These are cheap.
This is Newton's.
May I open this, please? Oh my god.
So guys, if you haven't tried this box, oh my god, I can't open it. If you haven't tried this box, you guys could go ahead. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, how the heck this open? Oh, there you go. You could just tear the side. Follow instructions. People don't be like me and Jamar that don't follow. But I don't even know which snacks I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try something that I never ate before.
Like this.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try that one. That one. This one, the coconut one. So guys, let me know if you ever tried these snacks before, if it's your first time, if it's your first time trying these snacks or what. I'm gonna try this one. I never tasted it and I never seen it before. Oh my goodness, I can't open it. Okay. Okay. Ooh.
You're gonna like that better.
It's coconut and I look. Ooh. This is all.
They burned it.
It's not burned. It's, oh, it smells like medicine. I don't know what I think. But oh, I know we got some. We got banana and date in there. What's that? The combination is not my favorite, but we're gonna eat it. We're gonna enjoy these snacks. And we're gonna have fun with these snacks. You know what? Let's try this one.
Well, we eat the red one.
We eat the red one. Look.
Oh man.
This one.
It's the same thing.
But it's
A little salty.
no, cheesier.
Yeah.
It's more, I think the other one tastes more healthier than this one, right? So that's it, guys. So we're gonna say, oh my god, I'm talking with my mouth open. No. Let's stop doing that. Hold on, guys. Hold on. 1 minute. That paper is good. Oh, Alright. Alright, I'm done now. I'm done. I'm serious. I'm done. Jamari is laughing at me, but why you laughing? Why you laughing, little boy? Alright, so I'm done.
And now we just gotta dump it down in my face.
Do you think these are nice? Do you like these snacks? Okay. So you're gonna say thank you to Grandma. Cause Grandma buy these snacks for him. Right?
Oh yeah, we got one more snack.
Oh. Just gonna say thank you to Grandma. So guys, thank you guys if you read this far for tuning in. And you guys, I'm gonna leave the description. What the heck am I saying? I'm gonna leave the discount code in the description so you guys could get this box right here.
Free.
What kind of free? For $17.50, not $24.99. You get it for a lower price. I think it's only for the first try. I'm not sure if you could keep doing the discount. But this is our, what month we in? April box. So I don't know if...
You're done.
I don't know if the May box gonna look different, but we'll definitely show you what it looked like. But guys, I will definitely leave the discount code in the description box. So guys, I'm gonna say goodbye and thank you guys for tuning in. And again, I love you guys and thank you for all the support you guys have done.
And guys, wait for a moment. My mom channel is over there, or in the in 2 videos over there. And watch my channel where we did the Sour Patch cereal, and watch the gingerbread.
Yay!